Okay, we got all our pieces we need to put our head together. We're going to start with our center pieces. We need 3 of these. This is 1 by, which is actually 3/4 of an inch here. So we need 3 of these for your 3 inside pieces, because this will incorporate your upper lip, your teeth, and your nose. Size-wise on this, this is 9.5 inches this way and approximately 7.5 inches across. So you're going to need 3 of these. Then the next pieces we will need is these center pieces, which incorporate your neck. And what we have to do is we have to cut this all out. This piece you don't need, but you want to hang on to this piece here because we're going to need this later on. When we get to that step, I will show you. So, but you want that center cut out. You've cut this, notched this out here. This is going to be for our 1/2 inch dowel, which will go in here, and that will be for our string that goes up and over and down through the neck. Size-wise with this one, we're looking at 11.5 by approximately 6.5 this way. So what you want to do is you want to mark this piece either left or right, A or B, 1 or 2, so you know which side, because you've got 2 of these. You want to make sure you get the right side when you put it together. The other piece with the neck, you're going to do the same thing. We're going to cut this center piece out. So you're going to keep that, and this piece we will need. That piece you discard. So we have that. We have our very outside pieces here. And what you can do is draw it out on paper or cardboard and use that as a pattern to draw it out. So you're looking at this piece here is 7.25 inches this way and approximately 7 inches across this way. To give you an idea of the size of that. And you're going to need 7 pieces for your head. We've already done our ears, and you can see how I did ears on some other videos I did. So we got our ears ready for this. We have a 1.25 inch stick that we're going to use here, and this is 8 inches long. For the lower mouth, which has the bottom lip and your chin, you're going to need 3 pieces of this. And this one here is about 4 inches by 3.5. Like I say, draw it out on a sheet of paper and use that as your pattern to cut them out. So those you're going to need. So when you start gluing, what you're going to do is you're going to take your first 2. You always start in the center. You take your first 2 inside pieces and glue these 2 together. Let it set up good, and then you'll add your 3rd piece. That's your inside pieces. And then after you let that set up, we're going to cut this off back in here after it all sets up. And then after you have that all done, then what you want to do is you start with your neck pieces. And see, this is the piece that you're going to cut out once you get the 3 inside pieces done. Then once that sets up, you're going to add your neck piece on the side of the head on the other side. So now we have 5. And after those set up, you'll add your outside pieces, your very outside. Let it set up, then add the other one to the other side. Then you have your 7 pieces for your head. So once this all sets up, then you can start carving it. It's going to take you a few days to get all your pieces glued together. So don't rush that, and like I say, just add 1 piece at a time, so it doesn't, because if you try to go more than 1, then they tend to slip and slide on you, and then it's harder to keep them all together where you want them. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section, and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.